I miss you all as well. Jeden, guys, just to let everybody know, this is our very last night to drop those big projects. So thank you, Jenai. If you're excited to be here tonight, please let's do it all together to my 61 viewers in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let go! Yay! Thank you, Jenna, Eileen, Marikit, Ate Jenna, Ine, Nay Marilyn, thank you, Karen, Ine, thank you, wow. Salamat sa inyo. Ate Connie. Grabe naman, grabe. Uy, Ine, grabe! Wow! Woo! Come on guys, road to 100 tayo. Can we make it 100? Ate Raquel! Happy Kumansari to all of you guys. Happy Kumansari to all of us. Happy Kumansari to Daji. Happy Kumansari guys. Happy 8 to all of us. It's not just me who's celebrating. Who's celebrating this day, but it's all of us. If you've been with me from the start until today, if you watch my stream, I would like to greet you a happy 8th Kumansari to all of us. Salamat sa inyo. At pampaswerte natin. Can we drop those big